Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to enable notifications for when anyone tags you on Facebook using the PC app. If you've noticed you're missing tag alerts after the latest update, don't worry. This step-by-step walkthrough will get everything set up in a minute. First, open your Facebook app on your computer. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This opens a small drop-down menu where you'll find different options related to your account. Next, click on Settings and Privacy. This section holds all the tools to personalize your account, adjust preferences, and control what you get notified about. Once you're in, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings dashboard where everything is neatly organized on the left-hand side panel. From the menu, click on Notifications. This is where Facebook allows you to manage exactly how, when, and for what reason you get alerts. You'll see multiple categories for notifications like comments, birthdays, friend requests, and more. Scroll down until you find the tags option. Click on tags and you'll see different choices for who can tag you and when you get notified. To make sure you never miss a tag, select the option that says anyone. With this setting, you'll receive a notification every time someone tags you, whether they're a friend or not. After choosing anyone, your preferences are automatically saved. There's no need for an extra save button. You can now close the settings, and from this point on, anytime you get tagged in a post, photo, or comment, Facebook will alert you right away. And that's it. You've just enabled notifications for tags by anyone on the Facebook app for PC using the latest update. If this helped you out, consider checking out more quick Facebook tips to make sure you're using every feature to its fullest. Thanks for tuning in.